everyone. I'm Pallavi Samant Desai, founder of Pencraft. Today again we are live from Kochi, Kerala. So today I will be showing you decoupage art on this box. Okay. So initially I'll show you what all I have made. So this is my treasure box on which I have done resin coating. These are my coasters. So this was the initial printed paper. By using this paper I did this decoupage. These branches are painted. These are the sides of this box. And here I have done background with sponge. This is a chopping board on which I have done crackle effect. These are tea coasters. The base is MDF and this is my passport cover. This is a single picture with this branch. This is the remaining part of the tissue. So let's start with our today's project. So this is my tin. It is not necessary that you have to use metal tin only for today's project. You can do it on a plastic bottle or a glass bottle or on chopping board or on your child's tiffin box, whatever the surface it is, it has to be plain. Even you can do it on cloth bag. Okay. So because of lockdown, I also don't have material with me. So I chose to use this, the wristwatch box. So what I did initially is, I gave acrylic white paint. This is my acrylic white paint. I use this color as a base for this tin. I gave 2 coats of acrylic white. And now this is totally dried. I will be using this tissue for my today's project. So how to choose a tissue? The design proportion should match to your surface on which you are doing it. Okay, so let's start. What I am planning to do is, I want these flowers 3/4 of this picture on top of the box and remaining part below. So first I will cut my tissue. For that you need water and a round brush. So now I am cutting my tissue. Don't take too much of water in your brush. safe distance between the picture and the background. Now I'll start removing the negative space, means the space which I don't want for this project. While removing this excess space, you have to be little careful. टिश्यू फटना नहीं चाहिए. I mean the artwork which you are going to use. So now this is the tissue. This is the design which I will be using for this artwork. So I will use this somewhat like this or this. Let's see. I will use it like this. आपको सिर्फ एक याद रखना है कि when I will be closing this box, approximately 7 to 8 mm area will go inside this lid. So I cannot close the lid initially. Okay. So I'll put decoupage glue. This is the decoupage glue. If you don't have decoupage glue, what you can do is you can use PVA glue plus water. 50% PVA glue and 50% water. So I will be putting this decoupage glue on my artwork. I'll spread it gently. I'll use little bit of glue here also because there is going to be a continuation of the design. So I am done with this part. I will clean my brush immediately, otherwise इसके bristles खराब हो जाएंगे. You always have to take care of your tools. So let's start. What I'll do is I will remove the layers. This is 3-ply tissue. So this is the first ply. The second ply. I will remove these two. So this is the thinnest paper now. So I'll stick my artwork the way I want. I'll press it gently with my fingers. I will take this portion down. Now I'll need my scissors. I will give a small slit I'll put some more decoupage glue on this side area. I'll clean my fingers and I'll take this napkin I will be removing the excess napkin now. I will keep this aside as I will be needing it. So the top portion of my project is done for now. So what is the next stage? What I will be doing is I will be using this light green as a background over here. So what you have to do is you have to create this shade. I'll take some green and white. Give it a good shade. Take out a little bit of white. I need very small amount of green. It is not necessary that this green has to be perfectly matching your tissue, but it has to be the nearby shade. So I will be creating two shades. So this is my first shade as a base. So I'll clean my brush immediately. And I'll take out one sponge. This is totally dry sponge, and I'll do the dabbing. So as I told you, this is going to be a base shade for my artworks. That is why I'm not matching it exactly, because I want little bit of shading on it. I love this texture, the sponge texture. You can see it is not very smooth like brush. See, it's not very smooth. So I'm done for this area. The next thing is, now I want to use the remaining tissue for my artwork. So I'll try to match So I have decided where I have to put this tissue. I'll take my decoupage glue again. I generally like using it with my fingers. So if you are not comfortable with this, please use brush. But I am very much comfortable using this glue with my fingers. But you have to be careful that whenever you are using your fingers, after that you have to clean them. Otherwise tissue खराब हो जाएगा. Yes. So my next step is I am pasting this remaining part very gently on my tin. I'll take a piece of plastic on it. I'll put it here. Just press it because I don't want any bubbles on my artwork. Be very careful while removing this plastic from your artwork. So this area is also done. Now I'll remove the excess napkin from my tin. I'll remove it with water. So next I have some more tissue left with me, so I will use this area also on my tin. I will cut out the artwork with the help of my paintbrush and water. And now I have to think where I have to put this. What I'll do is I have two pieces like this, so I'll put one piece over here again. I am using my fingers for glue. I remove the other two plies. This is the single ply now, and I am pasting my tissue. Yes. So now I will be using the remaining part of my second tissue. Taking out the excess area. मैं समवॉट ऐसे यूज़ करूँगी, मिरर इमेज। So this is the thinnest area. So now I am pasting my tissue again. Use decoupage glue and paste your tissue. Make sure that there are no bubbles when you are pasting it. So I am done with the pasting. So I will be making the base. I will be using this color again. So I will be making somewhat nearby shade of this tissue background now. This is my first layer and now I will be making the second layer. So this time I need little more color. I am taking more white. Use very less water and I will be taking light green and a very small amount of color. Even in this green I will be making most probably 2 shades to match my tissue, because I don't like very flat colors. So if you are using 2 to 3 shades as a background color, then you can always hide the edges of the tissue very easily. So let's start. I won't be washing this brush immediately. So this is the layer. I'm not giving very flat colors. Immediately I will take little more green. जब तक बैकग्राउंड गीला है तब तक I'll use second sponge and I'll give little bit of shading. See, so I have used 3 shades here of green. So now it's turn for the base. So I'm using this light green. I'm trying to hide these edges. Be very careful because your tissue is still wet. Take the second sponge. See, I'm trying to hide the edges. Again I will be taking the light color. I'm trying to cover the edges from this side also. Again I will be taking little bit of dark green. So now no one can make out that this is a cut and paste work. See, that's why we need shading. So it's little bit of green here also. I'm going to use the same technique for this. I'll use little dark shade here for the edges. So we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes more. I think I need little bit of dark green again, but not from this shade. I'll use deep green for that. There is no hard and fast rule for giving these backgrounds. But the only thing is, it should not be all together a different color. Like इसमें आप red नहीं use कर सकते as a background. But as the tissue background was light green, so you can use any shade related to green or purple. It is totally your wish. See, because of this shading, you cannot make out the edges. So we will allow it to dry for 2 to 3 minutes more, and then what I'll do is I'll put one thick layer of Mod Podge. So what will happen, for some time it will look little milky. So what I'll suggest you is you first have a look of this done artwork, because it will take nearly half an hour to get dry. So आप लोग final output देख नहीं पाओगे. Right now I am not pressing this lid on the tin because ये काफ़ी गीला है. ओके, और 2 लेयर्स देने पड़ते हैं डेकोपाज के. सो तब तक मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि टुडे इज़ द लास्ट डे इफ़ यू वांट टू अवेल द डिस्काउंट फॉर टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग. Pencraft is offering 10% discount on Pencraft teachers training courses for handwriting improvement and Vedic maths. And thank you everyone for your fabulous response. There are so many ladies who have already started working from home after seeing our Pencraft live, and we are really happy that they are utilizing their time. They are trying to prove themselves. And apart from this, our all Pencraft certified teachers are taking online classes for kids. If your child wants to learn Vedic maths, abacus, handwriting, pen mandala, varliya, dot mandala, whichever course it is, you can call us on 9136024248. I'll repeat the number, 9136024248, and you can enroll your child for these courses. Apart from this, we have online courses also. So if you have any query regarding our trainings, our courses, you can always call us on these numbers. So my artwork is dry now, so please have a look. This is my final look of the tin, which was initially like this. Can't believe it. So what I'll be doing is I'll use Mod Podge. Basically it is not Mod Podge, it's a decoupage glue. Mod Podge is a brand. So I'll put generous amount of glue and I will cover this artwork with decoupage glue. जब ये सूख जाएगा, then I will give one more coat of it. Be careful, जब भी आप strokes देते हो ज़्यादा pressure मत दीजिए, because these tissues are very delicate. They are just like feathers. So you have to be very delicate, very kind with this tissue. And the excess glue I will take out from the lid and I will apply it on the base of this box. So this way, try to put your glue in one direction, so once it is dried, the strokes won't be visible. If you don't have this kind of tin, what you can do is बच्चों के जो पुराने बॉटल होते हैं या टिफ़िन बॉक्सेस होता है जिसका लुक ख़राब हो जाता है, कईयों के स्टिकर्स निकल जाते हैं. So you can use those boxes, those bottles. Initially you can start with that, तो आपकी प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी. And if you don't have these tissues with you, don't worry. You can order these tissues from Pencraft website. You just have to visit www.pencraft.in, and the Pencraft spelling is PENKRAFT, and there you will find a DIY tab. So from there you can order your DIY kits also. The speciality of Pencraft courses is we give thorough trainings, and for that, if you want to become a Pencraft certified teacher, for that you don't have to be from an art background. Anyone can pursue these trainings and start their own classes from their homes. All courses are certified courses, copyrighted courses, and our way of teaching is same all over the globe. Yes, all over the globe, all teachers get trained in a similar way, which is tried and tested. So the results are also assured. Whenever we design any course, हम पहले ही अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि कोर्स को अपीयर करने वाला बंदा सेम बैकग्राउंड में से नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट डिफिकल्टीज दैट पर्सन माइट go through. So my decoupage glue's first layer is done. So I hope you enjoyed today's decoupage session. Again we will be coming live. Keep visiting Pencraft Facebook page and social media platforms, so you will come to know about what is happening and you will be updated. So bye for now. See you. Stay safe.